Welcome dear students. Today I am now taking a class. BST. Okay. Now, emerging mode of business. Previous class I already discussed what is e-business and scope of e-business. Now B2B. Today now B2C commerce. B2C all the name implies B2C. B2C means business to customers. B2C means business to customers transaction have business firms at the end and its customer on the other end. Now B2C means the transaction have business at the end, other is one end is other customers. Although what comes to one's mind instantaneously is online shopping. It must be appreciated that selling is the outcome. It must be appreciated that selling is the outcome of the undertaking process. Selling is the outcome of the undertaking process, and marketing begins well before a product is offered for a sale, and marketing begins well before a product is offered for sale and continues even after the product has been sold. B2C commerce therefore entails a wide gamut of the market. The B2C product is a wide entails of the marketing. While it comes to marketing activities such as identifying activities, promotion and sometimes even delivery of products. That is music or films that are carried out online. E-commerce permit conduct of these activities at a much lower cost but high speed. For example, ATM speed up withdrawal of money. Now, at the name of the implies, business to customers transaction have business firm at one end and customers of the other end. Business to business transaction have business firm has one end and other end is customers. Although what comes in one's mind instantaneously is online shopping, it must be appreciated that selling is the outcome of the marketing process. Selling is the outcome of the marketing process, and marketing begins well before a product is offered for sale and continues even after the product has been sold. B2C, therefore entails a wide gamut of the marketing activities such as identifying activities, promotion and sometimes even delivery of the product. E-commerce permits conduct of these activities at a much lower cost and but high speed. For example, ATM speed is by withdrawal of the money. Number 3, withdrawal of the money. Customers these days are becoming very closely and desire individual attention. Customer has closely and desire individual attention to the given other. Them. Not only do they require the product future be tailor-made to suit their requirements, but also convenience of delivery and payment of their pleasure. Further, B2C variant of e-commerce enables a business. B2C variant of e-commerce enables a business to be in touch with its customers on round-the-clock basis. Companies can conduct online survey to ascertain as to who is the buying what and what the customer satisfaction level, what the customer is satisfaction level. By now you might have formed the option that B2C is a one-way traffic. Now B2C is the one-way traffic that is from business to customer, but do remember that is corollary from the business to customer, but remember that is corollary. C2B, consumer to business, commerce is very much a reality which is provided. very much reality which the provides the customer, reality which provides the customer with the freedom of shopping at will, with the freedom of shopping at will. Customers can also make use of call centers. Customers can also make use of call centers set up by companies to make toll-free calls, to make queries and lodge complaints round the clock at no extra cost to them. No extra cost to them. The beauty of the process is that one need not set up these call centers on helplines. They must be understood. They must be outsourced. We shall be discussed as per later on the business process outsourcing. Now the letters of the business process outsourcing. Clear? Now next, intra-B-commerce. Next, intra-B-commerce. Here, parties involved in the electronic transactions. And form with a given business firm. Hence, name intra-B-commerce. Form with a given business firm. Hence, the name intra-B-commerce. As noted earlier, one critical difference between e-commerce and e-business is that e-commerce comprises a business firm. E-commerce comprises a business firm interaction with its suppliers. And distributors of the other business firm. Hence the name B2B and customers B2C over the internet. While e-business is a much wider term, and also includes the use of interact for managing interaction and dealing among the various departments and person within the firm. It is largely due to use intra-B-commerce. That today it has become possible for the firm to go in for flexible manufacturing. Use of computer network makes it possible for the marketing department to interact. It is possible for the marketing department to interact constantly with the production department and get the customized products made as per the requirement of the individual customer. A customized product made as per the requirements of the individual customer. In a similar vein, closer computer based interaction among the other departments makes it possible for the firm to recap the advantage of the efficient inventory and cash management, greater utilization of plant and machinery, effective handling of the customers' orders, and effective human resource management. Just as intercom facilitated voice communication within the office, intranet facilities, multimedia, and even 3D graphic communication among organizational units for well-informed decisions, permitting better coordinations, faster decisions and speeder workflow. Take for example a firm interaction with its employees. Sometimes referred to as B2E. Commerce. Companies are restoring to personal recruitment, interviewing and selection, training, development, and education via e-commerce. Catch all the phases of e-learning. E-commerce means capture all phases of the e-learning. Employees can use electronic categories and ordering forms and business information, inventory information, ordering and the business inventory information for better interaction with the customer, for better interaction with the customer. They can send field reports via email and management. They can send field reports via email and the management can have them on the real time basis. In fact, virtual private network (VPN), virtual private network. In fact, the virtual private network technology would mean that employees do not have to come to office. Employees do not have to come to office. Instead, in a way, the office goes to them, and they can work from whatever they are, and their own speed and time convenience. Meeting can be held online and video conferencing. Now next, C2C commerce. Here the business originates from the consumers. And the ultimate destination is also consumer. Thus the name C2C commerce. This type of commerce is best studied. For dealing in goods. For which there is no established market mechanism. For which there is no established market mechanism. For example, selling used books for clothes either on cash or barter basis. The vast space of the internet always person for globally. Globally search for potential buyers. Additionally, e-commerce technology provides market system security. To such transactions which otherwise would have been missing if the buyers and sellers were to interact in anonymity is one-to-one transaction. Anonymity to the one-to-one transactions. Now here the business originates from the customers and ultimate destination is also consumer. Destination consumer. User thus the name C2C commerce. This type of commerce is best studied for dealing. This type of commerce is best studied for dealing in goods for which there is no established market mechanism. For example, selling used books for clothes either on cash or barter basis. The vast pace of internet always person of globally search for potential potential buyers. Additionally, e-commerce technology provides market system security to such transactions which otherwise would have been missing if the buyers and seller were to interact. An excellent example of this is found to eBay, where the customers sell their goods and services to other consumer. Now customers sells the goods and services to the other consumer to make this activity more secure and robust. Robust and several technologies have emerged. Firstly, eBay allows all the sellers and buyers. eBay allows all the sellers and buyers to rate one another. In this manner, future prospective purchase may see that a particular seller has sold to more than 2,000 customers. Seller to sold to more than 2,000 customers, all of whom rate the seller as excellent. In another example, a prospective purchaser may prospective purchaser may see a seller who has previously sold only 4 times, and all 4 rate the seller poorly, and all 4 rate of the seller poorly. This type of information is helpful. Another technology that has emerged to support C2C activities is that of the payment immediately. Pay is a good example. PayPal is a good example, is the kind. PayPal is the good example, is the kind. Clear? Now, e-business versus traditional business. By now, you must have be formed an idea how enabling has radically transformed the mode of the doing business. Now, provide the features. Now, difference between the traditional business and e-business. Now, number 1, easy formation. Now, traditional business it is easy formation. Now, traditional business is difficult. E-business is simple. Physical presence required, non-required. Physical business is required and non-required. Locational requirements. Proximity to the source of raw materials of the market for the products. Proximity of the source of raw materials for the market of the products, none. E-business, none. Cost of setting up. Now, traditional business high. E-business low as no requirement of the physical facility. Low as no requirement of the physical facilities. Operating cost high due to fixed charges associated with investment in procurement and storage, production, marketing and distribution facilities. Low as a result of reliance on network to relationship rather than the ownership of resources. Now, nature of contact with the suppliers and the customer. Nature of the suppliers of the customers. Impact through intermediaries, direct. Impact through intermediaries and direct. Nature of international communication. Hierarchical from top level management to middle level management to lower level management to upper. Hierarchy from top level management to middle level management to lower level management for the management require operators. Now, hierarchy allowing direct, vertical, horizontal and diagonal communication. Now, hierarchical along with vertical, horizontal and diagonal communication. Response time for meeting customers and internal requirements long, instantaneous. Okay, long and instantaneous. Shape of the organizational structure. Vertical oblique tall due to hierarchy or certain of command. Vertical oblique tall due to hierarchy of certain command. Horizontal flat due to directness of command and communication. Business process and length of the cycle. Sequential procedure succession relationship. That is purchase, production, operation, marketing, sales. The business process cycle is therefore longer. Simultaneous different process. Business process cycle is therefore shorter. Sometimes different processes. Business process cycle is therefore shorter. Opportunity for interpersonal touch much more less. Now here is less. Opportunity for physical pre-sampling of the product much more. Operating for physical and pre-sampling product much more. Now e-business less. However, for digitable products, less. However, for digital products, such an opportunity is tremendous. You can pre-sample music, books, journal, software. You can pre-sample music, books, journal or software. Easy of going global, less. Much as cyberspace is truly without the boundary. Now is government patronage sinking, much as IT sector is among the topmost priorities of the government. Now sinking, government patronage now is sinking, now is the topmost patronage of the government. Okay. Next, nature of human capital. Nature of human capital, semi-skilled and even unskilled manpower needed. Semi-skilled and even unskilled manpower needed. Technically and professionally qualified personnel needed. Technically and professional qualified personnel needed. Transaction risk low due to arm's length. Transaction and face-to-face contact low due to arm's length and transaction and face-to-face contact high due to the distance and anonymity of the parties. High due to the distance and anonymity of the parties. This is the difference is traditional and e-business. This is the difference of traditional and e-business. Difference of traditional and e-business. Okay. Thank you. To this now in my class. Goodbye. See you again.